Now, if you go online and sign up for anything, you'll probably encounter something that is nearly likely frequent, and if you're thinking of CAPTCHAs, you're absolutely correct. CAPTCHAs are merely a means of verifying that you are a genuine human being and not a robot. I'll demonstrate a fantastic get-easy method for using CAPTCHAs to generate income in this video. You can complete it in about 2 minutes because it is so easy. Simply watching this video through to the finish will teach you everything you need to know about this brand new way to make money. Just a word of caution. Skipping forward will cause you to miss out on a lot of crucial information. To fully understand everything, you'll need to listen carefully. Let's get back to the video, so let's visit the first website right away, megatypers.com, where you can sum up the entire website in just 4 words. Simple work, simple money. Megatypers is a workforce management business that offers data input services to public and commercial organizations, as you can see right here. According to the platform's overview, they claim that their primary objective is to help our clients' digitalization needs by transforming scanned papers into editable digital documents. We also provide voice-to-text transcription, image-to-text recognition, and assistance to the blind in navigating the Internet's visual hurdles. So let me to simplify things for you. In essence, Megatypers is a vast platform devoted to providing goods and services from all over the world that support the development of technology and Internet security. Additionally, they greatly simplify the lives of their consumers by expediting tasks that will unquestionably be of the utmost aid to any people in need of such services. What is required in order to profit with Megatypers? Well, everything has already been made public on this page's main page. In essence, they're looking for typers who meet the requirements of having a working device, a steady internet connection, and a consistent and proficient typing proficiency. Think about it for a minute. They're looking for someone who can type at least 10 words per minute. I'm sure you can type much more than that as well. Literally, it's so easy that even 7-year-olds can speak 10 words in a minute. Since your workouts are fully flexible and you can finish your responsibilities whenever you want, this technique is intended to be advantageous to you. The more proficient you are at typing, the higher the benefits you will obtain. Therefore, the next action I want you to take is to click on the Free Sign Up button in the page's upper right corner. Type your email address first, ensuring sure it is completely visible, then your password, your name, and then the payment method of your choice. You should choose PayPal since it is incredibly practical, has a rapid turnaround time, and is simple to use. As you can see, once you've made a decision regarding a payment method, there is no turning back. You cannot change it. Open a new tab on Google and enter in the invitation code provided by Megatyper. After doing so, copy the code from the search results and paste it into the appropriate field on the application form. Once you've finished, check the box to show that you concur with the following. It is strictly forbidden to use any third-party software on our website since we do not endorse its use. Accounts of users who are discovered utilizing third-party software will be suspended if they lack the funds to pay. To complete the CAPTCHA, just select both the first box and the second one. You just need to click the Submit button after finishing that, and Megatypers will welcome you to your new account. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. This is your dashboard. Going back to the video, go to the Typer Solver portion and it will direct you to this page where you will learn about the entire software. What is a resolver of type? It functions essentially as a safe desktop program that gives users access to quicker, higher quality, and more lucrative photographs. Now that everything is open to you, go ahead and read the entire page. This page covers all of the most commonly asked questions, and every detail is available there, so feel free to browse the page and learn everything you need to know about the software. Let's get to the point of this inquiry, which is what using the solver will accomplish for you. As I previously mentioned, you can find speedier CAPTCHAs, such as puzzle and smart CAPTCHAs, that pay you more quickly. Look at this. They will pay you 150% more for completing tricky and smart CAPTCHAs. With this knowledge in hand, there is no disputing that this platform is a complete killer. Since you should never pass up an opportunity like this, watch the entire film to the very conclusion. You can access this button by returning to the website's top and scrolling all the way back down. That claims to get TyperSolver, simply click this link. The download will start immediately. Simply click the software icon once installation is complete, and you're good to go. You'll need to sign up for this one using your email address and password as their initial request. I'm going to offer you a bonus tip right now that will almost certainly boost your income. Through the affiliate program of MegaTyper, simply click here to return to your dashboard and access the affiliate section. As soon as you land on this page, you'll see that anyone you refer to MegaTypers for a job will earn you a 10% commission. All you have to do to make them one of your recommendations is to provide them an invitation code. Simply review everything to eliminate any doubt. Basically, all you have to do is share your code with others and spread the word about the platform by asking your friends to join MegaTypers. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.